10 basic craft supplies every DIYer needs. First is color papers. Every simple craft starts from this A4 color papers. It is inexpensive and comes in a ton of different colors. You can easily get these papers from almost every stationery. These are foam sheets. These are available in glitter and plain form and also in design form. These are also available in self-adhesive form, which makes us easy to peel and use it for our DIY projects. These foam sheets has a height with foam structure, so it will make your scrapbooks or greeting cards more beautiful. Next is scissors. You have many options and styles to choose from. There are different types of scissors that are used for different things. This is all-purpose scissors. These are the most popular of scissors out there for many arts and crafts. These are ones that can cut most material from paper, cardboard, foam even. These can even cut fabrics. These are decorative scissors. These are for paper, thin cardboard or foam even. These do not work on fabric and these help you to give your paper a designed edge. Knives. This is X-Acto knife which has long blade used for cutting longer straighter lines in a paper. This is detailed knife. For those doing intricate paperwork, then working with this would help with the curves, small things you can cut with this detailed knife. It also comes with 5 blades. Paints. These are acrylic paints. These also comes in a cute box with 6 basic colors. I have taken it separately. These are some basic colors. I have taken gold and silver also. You can add water to it to give it a different consistency. These acrylic paints is a great beginner for craft paints. It is pretty inexpensive and comes in all kinds of colors, or you can just buy basic colors and mix those colors to form any different color. And these are watercolors. These are also available easily and inexpensive too. To paint watercolors, you need thick canvas paper so that it does not come out from the other side of the paper. Next is pens and sketches. These are brush pens. Colors can be applied as accurately or freely as you wish, as you can work it without water, brushes, palettes. You can achieve amazing blended results with this. Next is glitter pens. Who doesn't love adding a sparkling finish to a project, especially when it is a special occasion crafts? Well, now you can add sparkle colors to your projects with ease. It adds a decorative touch to your crafts. And next is gel pens. These are used for writing, calligraphy and drawing outlines for mandalas or doodles. And these are normal sketches. These are also used for writing, calligraphy, anything. And these are also connector pens. These are available in Amazon. Brush pens, and these are available in Amazon. Next are colors. I have wax crayons, oil pastels and color pencils. For oil pastels and wax crayons, colors are mixed on the paper, not on a palette, by overlaying or blending them. A wide range of colors are available in this. These have no brushes to clean or no palette, no water, so it is mess free. Next is glues. First is basic one is Fevicol. This is white craft glue which dries out clear and is somewhat flexible. We can get creative and add fillers like flying glitter, pigment or water based food coloring for decorative effects. This is Fevibound. This is adhesive for magnets, leather, rubber, canvas or cork. And this is hot glue gun. With this hot glue you can trace patterns to form beads, designs on surfaces for texture and paint over it for a 3D surface effect. You can just plug in and start using this. It is better to have some glue sticks in stock. These are glue sticks. Coming to brushes, there are different types of brushes used for different paintings. Some of them are round, flat, liner, sword, mop, fan. These are some of the brushes I have collected. I have for my paintings. Tapes, there are different types of tapes, but the basic one is transparent tape. In every house we can find this tape. This is basic and everyday use tape for lightweight bonding. It should be a staple craft supply in your households. And this is double-sided foam tape. It has a particular use. It's best for hanging decorations or pictures, but you can also use it as a 3D effect on projects. Tacky tape, this is red tacky tape. It has both side adhesives. You can just paste it and remove the upper layer, and you can just paste the paper or anything. These can be used for wooden, glass, anything. On any surface it works excellently. And this is masking tape. Masking tape is another fun tape with a variety of creative uses. It comes in odd sort of colors, but I have this plain color, cream color. While painting, you can easily mark off the areas you do not want to be painted. Once the painting is finished, you can tear the tape off. And this is double-sided thin tape. It makes crafting so much easier and cleaner. It's a fantastic tape to craft with. These are glitter tapes. These add some decorative touch to your crafts. These are washi tapes, my favorite ones. Because of their design elements, they are awesome for scrapbooking, card making and similar paper crafts. Sure, you can use it for basic taping, but I had definitely saved design tape for special crafts. Last one is scoring board and tools. This is a scoring board. It is 2-in-1, which serves the purpose of scoring and cutting papers. If you are into card making, scrapbooking, this makes your work so easy. You can just insert any size of paper and then score the centimeters or inches, then place it here and cut it like this. And this cutting mat, every crafter should have this cutting mat. You can do whatever you want. You can cut, paint, you can do anything on this. So this is a must for any crafter. These are scrolling tools. You can just score any paper, or it is easy to fold after scoring. This works like this. So I hope this list makes you a better crafter, a more creative crafter. But at the very least, I hope you can walk away knowing basic craft supplies and what they can be used for.